Hello, hi, I'm Gurjari. I'm here towards studying Western culture, and you? I supporting Indian culture. Western culture has a very special security. Indian culture is currently and materials of ordered and will have culture in stronger. Western culture, social norms, culture. Indian culture is super. Western culture traveled by its roots. Indian culture is higher of the culture. No, Indian culture is high sector and Western culture is high. Indian culture is older of the culture. Western culture families will not story. They wear beautiful clothes. Western culture is more beautiful and story will not family. Indian culture is materials and order of the influx of the culture. Western culture is river trees and they people something better of the world. Western culture, no Indian culture and story, and Western culture is a families will not culture. Indian culture is supporting of the world in no Western level is Western culture is no Western culture. No India is no beautiful and in Western culture is family story. Indian culture is very supporting and respect for family. No India is respect for family and Western culture is no Western culture is supporting respect for family and but Indian culture is supporting of respect for family and natural beauty. No, it is no natural beauty and Western culture is natural beauty and respect to family. Indian culture is normal, simple life. Western culture is modern life. Indian culture is a very temple of the rivers and no India is temple and river and Western culture is a temple. No, Western culture is not temple in trees, not river. Indian culture is a very rivers and temple. No India is a temple and river tree and Western culture is a river, temple and tree. Indian culture is the highest of the world. No, India is highest of the world, and Western culture is higher world. No Western culture is higher world, but Indian culture is a higher world and oldest world. And Western culture is more high world. Indian culture is very beautiful clothes and no, it is